Sammy, what is it?
Oh, it's a new doll stuff. Look.
Oh, hey, I'm the one who ordered it. It's mine. Hi, what's going on here? My Avastar doll has arrived. Wow, let me see and play. No, it's my doll. I'm not giving it to anyone. Oh yeah? Sammy, follow me. We have a new challenge. We're gonna make our own cool doll.
Oh, I'm game.
So pretty. Let's dress her up. Oh, there's so many options. And you want a craft one? Give it a try.
You'll see, Nancy. It's gonna be an amazing craft.
That's right, Sammy. Now what do we have here? Oh, great. The torso's ready. How are you gonna put on her pants and skirts? Forget it. My doll's already got a wig.
Stacy's gonna let me wear the wig.
Of course. Just wait. We still have to finish the doll.
Here, take the foil for the head frame.
Oh, thanks. Nancy, check this out. What do you think, huh? Keep molding, bestie. Just look how lovely my doll's face is. I have to speed up and make her jaw drop. Here, I finished. Wow, she's quite good. Let's attach the head. Oh, look how funny it spins. Catch!
Oh, a jumping head!
Look out, I'm gonna get you!
Zombie doll's invasion! Close your eyes, sweetie!
Oh, we'll make you a scared face. Is it even here? Terribly pretty, my precious. And my doll's legs aren't functioning. Ugh.
Try to put it on this pin. Then it'll work just fine.
Oh, thank you, Sammy. What do you think now, Nancy? I'm beginning to like this doll too. She and mine could become besties. Cool. And we'll let her wear my doll's clothes. I can't. It doesn't fit.
Then we'll make your new outfit. First we need to take measurements.
Now we need the material. Clay clothes are the most durable. I don't even know how it's gonna work. Look, we'll mold it right on the doll. Dexterity and no cheating.
Huh? Where's the back? It's weird.
You don't get it, Sammy. It's the latest trend. Want one?
No. Hands off. I'm a designer, not a model.
Oh no, my doll's half is gone. Help!
Don't panic. I'll find her and bring her home.
This is all I have. What should I do? Hey, we can play with the legs separately. Put on some fancy shoes and the perfect look is ready. I should make it for my doll too. She'll walk proudly down the street. Oh, I mean the table. My doll has many different looks. Get as much inspiration as you want. I also decorated her shorts with stickers. We can mix outfits for a whole fashion show. Uh-oh, silly me. I need to mold her pants. Do you have a warehouse in there? Come on, so fast, how? My doll will be watching your every move.
Here we are. Found her on the way out.
My super strong helper will get her. Yay, thanks. I think I'll glue the legs to prevent further escapes. Yay, let's get her ready to their first meeting. I want to dress her up again. Look how well this color suits her. We can finally play. Great, you got me inspired to design an upgrade. Well then, we'll dress up somewhere too. That's it. Oh, we should defo try this. Get the clay, Sam.
I made up a rock jacket. All you need to do is craft it.
I'll make it even better than you thought. Now we'll add some pink elements. Will it fit for my doll too? Clay outfits are the new trend. Hey, I'm your best friend. Let me wear it. Shall we arm wrestle for it? Let's go. I'm gonna beat you. I've got an idea. Come here. Hey, what are you doing? My hair! Check this out. Amazing. It doesn't work with mine though. I'll figure something out too. A super cool headband. Maybe I should make one for my doll. First, give her a haircut. Then we'll see.
So, how is it going? Are you ready to choose the best doll?
No, Sammy, time out. A new hairstyle is on the way. When are you gonna do her hair?
Shall we make her hair out of threads or paper?
No and no. It'll be hard to attach and they'll tear quickly. What's taking you so long?
Ooh, I have an idea. Here! It's like clay, but more flexible.
think this'll work.
While your girlfriend is at the hair salon, we'll try on some new accessories. Check these out. Oh. Excuse me, we're making a surprise. See you later. Fine, we'll have it all to ourselves. Uh-oh, we have to hurry. I haven't picked out a new look for you yet. Oh, let's not forget about the wig. There it is. And a headband as the finishing touch. We're ready.
But I'm not done yet. We need to add some stickers. I chose these eyes and lips. You're about to see our doll come to life.
Give me those stickers. Wow, they look so cool.
Don't get upset. Here you go. Take whatever stickers you want.
Oh, it's nice when you get along. Let's test them right away. We don't need these anymore. Okay. Wow, what a makeover. There's still some of my stickers left. What should I do with them? I know. Check out this cool fashionista.
Yeah, she's so cute.
Yeah, you should decorate your doll with stickers too.
Oh, thanks, Sammy. What a great idea.
Whee! Check out my pretty girl, Avastar.
And my doll, too. Which one do you like more?
Oh, it's hard to choose. They're both great.
But I have a trump card up my sleeve. Hop.
Show me, what are you hiding up there?
Uh-huh. Look what I've got. Can you guess?
More clay? What is it for?
So we can make more accessories. Check out this purse.
Not fair! There's no purse in my set!
Wait, I've got the best idea ever. Our dolls can share stuff. They're friends now. Deal?
Deal. We're both in. Thank you. Let's have a friendly fashion show. Stay tuned!
It was a great idea to swap stickers.
I like it too. Their outfits look so much better. Oh, my feta, you switched them! Oh. Do you want some too? Huh? I'm not your pet flying hat! Which doll do you like? If it's my fashionista, give a thumbs up!
And if it's my craft, subscribe to the channel. Bye-bye!
Sweet dreams are made of these. Who am I to disagree?
Wow, what's going on here, Sammy? And why did you put this letter on you?
M is for master. I'm cooking a chocolate something with chocolate dipped in chocolate. I'm the master of chocolate!
Oh, that's huge. I'll leave you to it.
No, Sue. I don't know what to do with it. Help me!
Oh, a huge M&M candy needs my help? Hey, that's a good idea.
A chocolate bath?
Better, a giant-sized M&M's cake.
Wow, I think this letter belongs to you, Master.
Well, I have no doubt about that. Hi guys, today we decided to craft something yummy. We're going to make a cake.
Shaped like a giant M&M candy, just like me. Hi, everyone.
Since you've already prepared lots of chocolate ganache, we'll bake the cake now. We need 2 identical metal bowls. This will help make our cake even. Take a big bowl which can fit everything. Let's start with flour. And sugar. And room temperature butter. After that, just add water. Unsweetened cocoa. Eggs. And vegetable oil. To make the cake layers fluffy and flavored, I'm adding baking powder and vanilla. You can find the ingredient list with all the proportions in the description of this video. Mix the ingredients really well. This way. So the dough is ready. Now we need to divide it into 2 equal parts. Let's put them in the oven. Oh, there's a note from Sam. Where is he, by the way?
I was here the whole time, Sue. I came up with a brilliant idea. Let's make a...
Hold on, Sammy. Heat the oven to 180 degrees Celsius. Bake the cake for about 35 to 40 minutes. Continue, Sam. What's your brilliant idea?
Let's make a piñata cake.
Ooh, and we'll put these candies inside, right?
If you can make it, you won't just be a master, you'll be the genius supermaster!
Wow. I'll do my best to get this title. Sammy, what a great smell!
Holy cannoli! These are holy cakes!
Now take them out of the bowls and cut both of them in half. They just cooled to room temperature.
Oh, shoo, this smell is just unbelievable!
You can thank the vanilla extract and cocoa.
Thank you, vanilla and cocoa, for this awesome smell.
Actually, there's a whole world of smells. For example, the smell of baking creates cozy and warm atmosphere.
I'd like to feel the Christmas atmosphere.
Oh, easy peasy. Here's a life hack. Just heat Christmas spices in a pot. You can use cinnamon sticks, cloves, ginger, cardamom, mint. You can add vanilla for sweetness, or, ooh, even some fir branches and fir cones.
What if I need to shake it up?
Well, then the smell of cucumbers or fresh greens can help you. By the way, we're done with the base of the cake. It's gonna be so cool. I need these bowls again.
And lots of chocolate, am I right?
Yep, you are right.
Yay! Are these stones or some other inedible thing?
Nope, this is something yummy. It's chocolate, but we need it in liquid form. Add some magic.
Well, what now?
Now we're going to make a chocolate cover for our future cake. Watch closely. We're going to make a chocolate bowl. Now spread the chocolate on the walls. You should do it both quickly and carefully. This way.
How can I help you?
Well, you can do the same with the second bowl.
Yes, sir. Ma'am.
Sam's always full of enthusiasm when it comes to chocolate. Anyway, let's put the bowls into the fridge. Meanwhile, we can have tea or make a sandwich. Just in time.
Someone said sandwich. Is it time for lunch?
Yes, let's take a break. And wait until the chocolate sets. Look, the chocolate is ready. But we need one more layer of chocolate. Sammy, I've got an important task for you. It's about chocolate.
I'm here. Where's the chocolate?
Here, can you make the second layer?
I'll do it before you know it.
In the meantime, I'm going to need to heat the frying pan. Why? I'm going to tell you later.
Oh, I've got a feeling something magical is gonna happen.
No magic, just culinary art.
By the way, I learned what the chocolate master's called.
And?
Chocolatier is a French word, mon chéri.
Oh, check out what Sue the chocolatier can do. We'll carefully place the hot frying pan right on the chocolate.
Uh-oh, Sue, it'll melt. What are you doing?
Everything's under control, Sammy. The hot pan melts the chocolate shape, smoothing its edges. It'll help us connect the two halves easily.
Cool. Hooray! We can finally use my ganache. Sue, tell us how chocolate is made.
Well, first of all, make sure your ganache is not too hot. It must be room temperature, otherwise the ganache can melt our chocolate shape.
Otherwise, you'll get a hole in your cake.
Let me tell you how chocolate is made. The easiest way is mixing 3 ingredients: cocoa powder, cocoa butter, and sugar. That's pretty much all.
Is it the same for white chocolate?
Oh no, you don't need cocoa powder for making white chocolate. Anyway, if you want to make a chocolate bar at home, you'll not only need these ingredients, but also a very accurate thermometer. Otherwise, the chocolate will melt in your hands. You see, chocolatiers heat and cool the future chocolate bar several times, trying to reach the perfect consistency.
Shiver me cheddars, it's so complicated.
Yeah, but nowadays this procedure is made by machines in factories.
There's a chocolate factory in Tibidabo too. I'm the manager. Oh, did you make a hole? Is that for candies? For my candies? Oh, Is this for me? Can I eat these cake leftovers?
No, Sweet Tooth, it's for the cake. Let's put one more layer of the cake. And cover it with ganache to make the layers stick together. This way.
I'm gonna find the candies for the filling. My mouth is watering.
Yes, it's time to fill that secret part in the middle of the cake. Don't forget to cool the ganache a little. To prevent M&Ms falling out of the cake, we need a cover. So, I'm gonna make a small chocolate disc. Carefully pour the melted chocolate in the center of the cooking sheet. And spread it, forming a circle. This way. We need to make the disc smooth and flat. Now let's put it in the fridge to set.
The tanks are filled.
Time to seal the hatches. Let's apply some ganache here to make the disc stick really well. Be careful. Try not to stain the candies in the middle. Now set the chocolate disc here.
Right in the center. I've got a surprise for you, Sue.
Oh, I hope it's not a...
No pranks this time. I've learned the lesson.
Oh, are you sure? Oh well, I really want to believe. Voila! The cake is teleported to the fridge, just for 5 minutes. Ta-da! And the cake is back. All right, let's put these two parts together. Apply melted chocolate on the edge of one half of the cake using a piping bag. Be very careful. Now comes the big moment, guys. The connecting. Kapow! Oh, it worked! What an awesome candy!
Sue, I have something for you. This is a new letter for the master. It's edible, by the way.
Wow, this is just what I needed. I'll put it right on the cake. But first, let's wet it a little. Otherwise, it won't stick well. Ah, now we can put it on top of our cake. Carefully press down so it doesn't ruin anything. It really looks like an M&M candy! A huge one! Guys, shall we look inside? Sammy, are you ready?
I'm more than ready.
Well, let's cut it then! Guys, be extra careful with the knife. You better ask an adult to help you. Oh, a special cake requires special treatment. This is a big moment. Here we go. Whoa! It is so delicious. Guys, don't forget to subscribe.
And hit the bell while I'm gonna finish my cake.
Bye-bye.